Hey there, culture guys, what's going on, y'all? My name is Adrian Barone, and today we got a low fade tutorial for y'all. This guy's been letting his hair grow out for 3 years. I made sure we captured it on camera, make a tutorial out of it. But real fast, guys, this week is my birthday week. I'll be turning 25 on Friday. I know, that's right, time flies, right? But I decided to do a little giveaway. I recently purchased the Babyliss skeleton trimmers, and best trimmers on the market, hands down, at me. But I decided what better way to give back than just give away one of these trimmers, man. The best trimmers on the market, check them out, bro. Best trimmers on the market. The details will be on my Instagram, AdrianBarone_. It's linked below, check it out. All you have to do is subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will announce the winner this Friday, either live or I'll post it on my story on Instagram. But yeah, guys, thanks again for tuning in, and hope you enjoy this tutorial.
Alright guys, right here I'm going to start with taking off the majority of the length with my clipper. Look at the smile on his face, guys. That's 3 years of work right there. Notice I'm getting a lot of tension as I'm combing his hair. First tip right here, turn your comb vertically, guys. It's going to help detangle the hair with less tension. Definitely makes a huge difference. It's a lot more smoother running that comb down. Section the hair, guys. It helps stay organized. Notice right here though, as I pick up some of the hair that I've originally cut alongside with a new section, that's my guideline right there, guys. Helps me stay persistent with the length throughout the whole head. I like to double check my work, so right here I'm just kind of going through it again, making sure everything's good. We are giving him a comb over, so I moved all his hair to the right side. Right here I'm just clipping all the excess hair that's overlapping, just to kind of help clean up the canvas a bit more. Now that we're done with the shear work, now to start the clipper work. We're going to start this low fade with taking a Sub-Zero all around the head. Our first guideline is the half, which is the lever open. We're going to go ahead and take that about 1 inch up, guys. Consistent strokes all alongside the head. Our second guideline is the number 1 open, which is the 1.5, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Take that about 1 inch up, but notice right here, as I don't go all the way up to the front, I like to leave that temple peak area a little darker to work with at the end, so when we curve it, I have some hair to play with. Here we got the 1.5 guard lever open as well, and take that up about another inch or so. Here we got the number 2 lever open. I take that up about 1/2 inch or so. I really start to compress it as I go up with these higher guards. And the last guard I use is a 3 with the lever open to kind of give that final cleanup. I usually don't go higher than a 3. Anything after that, I start to use clipper over comb. And notice right here, I don't cave the comb in. I kind of brush it in and then pull right out. Here I got the half guard and I put the lever down about halfway or so and start flicking at that guideline that we created with the half in the beginning. I do use my corners a lot. It does help get rid of these dark spots and work in tighter areas. Here I got the one guard lever all the way open. And this is just my cleanup work. I'll slow it down when you see me move the lever. So barbers like to call lever play. This is just to kind of clean up everything. Again, you can see right here as I'm using those corners, which really helps get in these little areas and not take off too much hair at a time. Now to take off our last guideline, I start with the 0. Lever all the way closed, take it up just a bit, and then I open the lever about halfway and take that up just a bit. Lastly, the lever all the way open, and that always tends to do the job. As you can see, the fade's already going all in right there. I do work in sections, so right here I'm staying in that back section of the ear, and then I move my way forward. It really helps to stay organized and bring everything together. Again, lever closed right here, and then lever halfway open. And for final, my lever's gonna be all the way open, which is a half. And this is where leaving some of that hair helps out. See how the line comes out more defined as I left some hair towards the front? And here removing the last of the hair, leaving a faint line, just so I can see how high to take the shaver up. And as for the other side of the hair, guys, the exact same steps, just rinse and repeat. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see this, and I'll just put the indicators on the screen to see y'all can see what guards I'm using. And the exact same steps for the back, guys, but the only thing I wanted to point out here is notice as I rub my finger along his neck right here, That's just to help me see what side the grain is going towards, so I make sure to shave against it. Telling your client to stretch his lip down really helps you get this mustache area. Here we're just thinning his hair down. This is gonna help remove some of that weight, some of that bulkiness up on top. Using medium to high heat to really help open up that cuticle, and blow drying and brushing his hair in the direction we're gonna style it already. Notice right here as I put the brush up and out, this right here is gonna help us get some of that volume towards the front. Go ahead and hit his hair with the cool shot, which is a cold setting on the blow dryer, just to close that cuticle, and you're pretty much ready to put some product in it. Here we're just putting a little bit of enhancement, which is some semi-permanent hair dye. What y'all think of this transformation, guys? Be sure to give us a thumbs up if y'all enjoyed it, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace.